Hey, welcome to the video. This is Tony from Eat and Travel with Tony, and this video today is all about me, of course, making some twisted chocolate chip cookie balls, but adding some motivation to it as well. So the topic for today is I'll be talking about how you don't have to have it all together to start something beautiful. So if you want to hear more about this topic, and of course, watch me make the cookie balls, make sure that you, of course, click subscribe, and of course click the notification bell to receive all the videos upload from this point here on out. So let's go ahead and get into this, y'all. And again, welcome to the video. Like I said, the topic for today is that you don't have to have it all together to start something beautiful. Whenever I look at this statement, I always think about all the things that I've redone and did over in my life and that kind of thing. And how I always thought back when I was younger, growing up and that kind of thing, that whenever I was trying to do something different, I was always starting over. What I know now is that I'm not starting over from anything. I'm not starting over. I'm starting from something, like I said, from something beautiful. I'm starting over, but with having a do-over, starting from experience, love, and healing. Just know that it's never too late for you to start something new from that love and that healing and that experience place that you already have and that you already at. No matter what age you are today, the moment, the minutes, the seconds, the hours, the day, whatever it is, from that time, you can always start something new. There's a lot of things going on in the world today. As y'all know, this is 2025, the beginning, this April 2025. There's a lot of stuff going on right now in the world. And some of us do have to start over with different things. Some things are being taken away from us, and we're trying to figure out what to do and how to redo our life at this point, I guess for some of us. And I'm sure some of y'all that's listening too. And we're trying to figure out where to start from, what to do. All you have to know is that you don't have to have it all together right now. While things are in chaos, that is okay. Just know that beauty grows from chaos. And that you got this, no matter how it's going to look, but you got this. Like I said, beauty always grows from chaos. I've been through a hell of a lot of chaos in my whole life, so I know that beauty grows from chaos at some point. It may not be today, it may not be tomorrow, but it's going to grow from that chaos at some point. While you may be, things are just going haywire and all this kind of stuff is going on. Like I said, it's going to be beautiful at some point. You don't have to worry. Just start doing the task and doing the actions that's going to get you to the point that you need to get to. Whether that's a new job, whether that's creating a business, whether that's moving to a new city, whether that's a new relationship or getting rid of an old relationship, whatever it is. Just know that you got this and that you can start from where you are. Like I said, you are not starting over no matter what anybody or anything has told you. You are not starting over, but you're starting from the experience that you have, the love that you have, and that you've grown throughout your entire life, and the healing that you've done throughout your entire life as well. You're starting from all those points. And like I said, nobody's going to have it all together. My life ain't perfect. Your life ain't perfect either. Nobody's life is perfect. Nothing is perfect. So you got to start from where you at with what you got. That's exactly what I'm talking about in this video. See me looking at me making all these cookie balls and that kind of thing. I'm starting from where I'm at too. I'm starting with a whole bunch of dough made out of all these ingredients. That's going to turn into something beautiful. It may not look like it in this video because it's a whole hunk of cookie ball dough. But it's going to turn into something beautiful as soon as it hits that oven. That's at 350. So what in your life is going to turn into something beautiful once it hits your oven? Your brain, your heart, your soul. What are you trying to flip over and turn? What are you trying to do? You can tell me, put it in the comments. If not, write it in your journal. And keep it to yourself for right now. But what are you trying to turn into something beautiful? What are you trying to do, y'all? Now, I know whatever you are trying to do, you are going to succeed at it. You have no reason but to succeed. I know you've probably been through a lot, and I know you probably have all these notions in the back of your head like I've had. I'm not going to make it. This is not going to fail. This is going to fail. I'm uncertain. I don't know what's going on. Yes, you do. You have all these years of experience, all these skills, all these talents, all these gifts that God has given you. Just like this, as you look at me making these cookie balls. That's a gift that God made me, the gift of baking and making people smile with my sweet treats. I have that gift. I've been having that gift since I was a little kid. You have gifts too. You have to bring them out of you. And it's you. Nobody. No, you're not going to have it all together. Everything is not going to be planned out perfect. Nothing in nobody's life is planned out perfect. But you got to start from where you are with the tools that you got. All I got is you see me on this counter, some doggone cookie dough in a bowl, in a doggone scale, in a bag that I'm putting the cookie dough in. That's all you see, and that's what you're going to start with too. Some things that you can make into something beautiful. Never forget that. And one more thing, never forget where you came from either. I don't care where you came from. Never forget that. All those things taught you something that you are today, and that's instilled in you today. Never forget that. You don't have to have it all together to start something beautiful. Peace out.